we use uh, the best quality raw material to manufacture and to make this final product. uh, we don't use any kind of adulteration and any kind of chemical and kind of preservation to manufacture these product. This is a red chili, and our market price is very reasonable in the market. We are just selling in bulk prices. This we cannot say the price over here. If someone need, then they directly message us. So we are selling on reasonable price. This red chili is our most sellable product for our company. In local, it's too hot chili. I'm sorry, there is some noise from outside. So guys, this chili, for example, if some customer or some consumer using a red chili of some other company, so if some consumer using red chili from other brands, whatever the company they are using, if they are using two packet and like for example they are using 200 gram, so they are buying 100 gram packet. If a cost of one packet is 30 30 Indian rupees, so they are using, because I got the feedback from the customer from the market. If they are using uh, two packet, like they are spending 60 rupees for two packet in a month. So though the customer, the same customer, uh, they use our product and they couldn't finish a single packet. So our cost, if for example our cost 30-40 rupees for this 100 gram pack, so they at least saving 20 rupees. And the taste also too good, because we receive the feedback from the customer. When they use any kind in the vegetables, they're making biryanis, pasta and all the things whatever they are making. So wherever they are using this rich red chili, so they find an authentic taste for this red chili, and they are liking this product as well. We know that we didn't promote too much in past, because it's just a startup business for us. But our motive to serve in the market the best quality product. This is why we are purchasing from market best quality raw material, and we are manufacturing the same material. We are not doing any kind of alteration. This is lab tested product. Some of my friend they are already tested this product, and they uh, they told me that the product is very natural and it's look like very original, because there is no adulteration, no chemical use. So it is also very good for your health. You can use as per your requirement. Just go and go on Amazon, and you can buy on this Facebook, and you can message WhatsApp as we can take order from anywhere. So there's no foundation of for taking orders. We can deliver across the globe. We have tied with the India Post, the registered government company in India, so we can deliver it anywhere from to any customer. Delivery charges will be paid by the customer, whatever it would be. So just try this brand. Just try to use this product. You will definitely happy to use this red chili product. And our motive to serve only the top quality only. I already told you. I'm just reiterating this thing. It's those consumers are health conscious. They can use it without any hesitation, because in the market we already know that many companies are using preservatives. They're using chemical, because they want to increase the shelf life of that particular product. But we don't do that. In 3 months, if someone buy our product, like wholesale customer, if they they couldn't sell the product, they cannot sell, then we take it back, and we give this product to the other consumer and other wholesaler, because we don't allow any customer, any wholesaler and retailer to put our product on hold for the long time. We manufacture whenever we receive the order, so this is why we maintain the life of the product as well, and try to provide the uh, top top quality, and the uh, manufacturing time also we reduce. If we are getting order in the next month, then we will manufacture in this month, so the manufacturing time also increase, and they can receive the fresh product. Thank you for this. This is coriander powder. So this coriander, so it is the specialty for this coriander powder, because we produce coriander in our farm, we manufacture these, so it is totally our product. We are doing production, because the raw material we are producing in our own farms. So there we maintain all kind of thing. We don't use any pesticide, any chemical for the growing the crops. Like I told earlier, this is the this coriander, this coriander is organic coriander, and this product is not organic, but in our farm we don't use any kind of chemical pesticide to produce our crops. So without any hesitation you can buy, because other company what they are doing, they are mixing leaves of coriander, they are mixing stem of the coriander, because we already know that which company using what kind of raw material quality. So without any issue, without any hesitation, you can buy this, you can just try it once. I already received a very good feedback from Pan India, because we have customer on Amazon, and they put review. They Most of the customer uh, was satisfied. Most of the customer, they personally told us on our social media platform that you guys are maintaining very good quality. So, and we have different kind of variety, that and on what kind of powder do you like to use. As per order we can manufacture. If someone want zero, we have different kind of quality of powder, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whatever consumer suggests to us, we can manufacture as per their requirement, we can provide as per the requirement. So our motive to provide this product in this kind of transparent packet, and it is as per the government parameters, more than 52 micron. So we are maintaining all the thing, and we are following all the rules and regulation. So this is the product, uh, totally chemical free, no preservation added, and it's a special dish, is raw material product produced in our farm. So you can use without any issue and without any hesitation. Just try it once, because you are already using some other brands. Just let's try our brand at once, so you will definitely know. I don't want to say anything. I don't want to say too much word about my product. If this is the so if this is said by me, then everyone think that this person, this man, or this company promoting, they are pressing their product too much, they are pushing it first. So I want your feedback, I want your appreciation. So that is my actual earning. So just try it once, and you will get to know that what quality and what uh, purity and what freshness we are providing in the market. Now moving to the turmeric powder. So turmeric, we also we use this turmeric. We make this turmeric for the top quality raw material. Like in the market, the many company are selling in a cheaper price. They the more than that price, we are buying raw material, and they are selling on the same price. Like we are buying our raw material 120 rupees, and they are selling the finished goods in 120 rupees in wholesale price, and the consumer is paying just 154 per kg or 15 rupees. But our cost is more than that, because we are not we are not making any adulteration, any chemical, and the shelf life is 1 year only. Because if you use chemical and if you use preservation, then the shelf life can be increased for 1.5 year, 1.7 year, maximum 2 years as well. So this is the turmeric powder. It's fresh. It's manufactured in La in this month. You can see the dated over here. Manufactured in March. Last month's manufacture. So it's totally fresh. You can use it until Feb 2022. So it's 1 year shelf life for our product, and it's totally chemical free, and it's reasonable price. You can just get in the 50 rupees from the market, and if you make a direct order to us, you can get additional discount on these products, these spices as well. This is very useful. Is just look like it's a local packing. Yeah, it's local packing, and it's a local company. It's already government told us to promote be vocal for the local. So this is authentic spices. Any restaurant in India, they can use it. They can use this product. Uh, so there's no issue for the health and all the things. This is cumin powder, sorry, cumin seeds. This is machine clean product. Like we source it from the best part of India, and the aroma of these cumin seeds is so good. If we are just opening this packet and opening the bottle where you put the freshness of these cumin seeds, the cumin seeds thickness also good. It's approximate 3 to 4 mm. I'm not sure about that the thickness and all the things. So काफ़ी अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है गाइस. राजस्थान के जो बेस्ट एरिया है जहाँ पे फेमस है क्यूमिन, वहीं से सोर्स होता है. आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. This is called hing badani. There's other name of these hing. The biological name is different one. So we have this product from the range of 2500 rupees to 25,000 per kg. So as per the requirement, as per the quality, the prices change for this product. But minimum we are giving 10 gram in just 25 rupees. It is a wholesale price. If any consumer buying from us, he will also get on 25 rupees. But if he will take from a retailer and the shopkeeper, kirana shop vendor, so he can sell it for 30 rupees. MRP is 40 rupees. So maximum that person can sell it on 40 rupees. But if you guys ordering to directly us, if you're getting it from directly from us, you can get it in just 25 rupees only. It is the wholesale price, and we maintaining one thing. We are giving this product on just wholesale price. Like if a single consumer also asking us, because our motive is to serve quality only in the market, and we don't want to disappoint any customer that they cannot buy from us. They can directly buy from. They can place an order from WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. We have our pages all where they can place an order on Twitter as well, because we have a page on account on Twitter as well. So, and if other customer from other part of India, they can place an order from Amazon as well. And there's some application like Bikai. We register on Bikai as well. You can buy our product from there as well. So today is this a small presentation about the old product we are already selling. But today we are going to launch this garam masala. It's just 50-gram pack. 50-gram pack. Guys and friends, the quality of this product is garam masala. You can use it with vegetables like dal fry, biryani, and all the thing. Generally in market the biryani masala available for making especially for the biryani. So आप इसको जो भी आपके वेजिटेबल्स आप करते हैं, जो भी चीज़ बनाते हैं, उसमें यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इसमें हम आपको बताएंगे कि हम क्या क्या रॉ मटेरियल हम यूज़ करते हैं, कौन सी क्वालिटी हम यूज़ करते हैं. I don't know if someone watching this video from other company, I can make sure we listed with the 25 product on Amazon, and this is the third year. This is third year. If I made some mistakes, then I'm really sorry for that. बट हमारा मोटिव मार्केट में इतना ही है कि आपको अच्छे से अच्छा केमिकल फ्री प्रोडक्ट हम सर्व कराएं, और जो कंज्यूमर इनको यूज़ कर रहे हैं, मैं उनको दिल से थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूं कि उन्होंने ट्रस्ट हम पे दिखाया और हमारा प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर रहे हैं. आप लोगों की फीडबैक से ही मतलब हम आगे बढ़ेंगे, और हमारा मोटिव भी यही है कि डे बाय डे जितना हम कर सकें बेस्ट ही अपना इसके लिए करेंगे. सो थैंक यू गाइज फॉर जो भी जिसने भी ज्वाइन किया. डजेंट मैटर द सिंगल पर्सन he joined for 1 minute 2 minute, because it is the first time for us, and going forward we'll make any other event as well. And today's time the people are very busy, so they can also not able to join, or they cannot find time. But no issue guys, you can watch this video later on. So this is all about